Today, we are going to check out the creepiest robots ever made. Be sure to watch the entire video, as some of these robots, although terrifying, are incredibly useful. Number 8. BigDog. Despite being well known for their human-like robots, Boston Dynamics' range of gas-powered and dog-like robots, like BigDog, rose to reputation because they are especially unsettling. This DARPA-funded robot pulls a pack mule to help soldiers go over terrain that is too difficult for ordinary vehicles. BigDog moves on 4 legs rather than wheels or treads, enabling it to traverse surfaces that are too rough for wheels. A number of sensors, including joint position and ground torch, are included in the legs. BigDog is roughly the size of a small mule at 3 feet long, 2.5 feet tall, and 240 pounds. It has a 4-mile-per-hour top speed, 340-pound carrying capacity, and a 35-degree inclination climb rate. An onboard computer that gathers data from the robot's many sensors manages locomotion. The control system also maintains balance and navigation. Number 7. Telenoid. The Telenoid robot, invented by the Japanese researcher Hiroshi Ishiguro, ranks among the spookiest, portable teleoperated android robots that can transfer people's presence. When you use the internet to connect to the robot, it will mimic your head and face movements and relay your speech. It resembles an alien-shaped cell phone. Telenoid contains only 9 DC actuators instead of dozens of pneumatic actuators, which is a significant reduction in comparison to comparable telepresence robots. The robot's design, which has a high creep factor, is its most notable characteristic. It's intended to appear neither young or old, male nor female. It has a condensed body and arms, yet while standing, it can only move a small amount. There is a lot of creepiness about this robot, but the creepiness fades away if you hug it. Maybe. Number 6. Handle. Most of us are already familiar with Boston Dynamics' work at this point, a business that excels at providing us with nightmarish robots. They developed Handle, a bipedal robot that may be among the world's most agile. Boston Dynamics has created a genuinely alien body shape for this robot, in contrast to many robotics experts that model their inventions after biological anatomy, such as that of people or animals. Handle is roughly 6.5 feet tall and has 2 wheels that allow it to move quickly, up to 9 miles per hour. Its 2 arms, which are joined at the hips, are easily capable of lifting 100 pounds. Handle can travel some pretty challenging terrain, so it has no trouble with the difficult ground. Even so, it can land easily after jumping 4 feet in the air. In case you need more convincing, Handle can also go up to 15 miles on a single charge. Although Handle's jumps are terrifying, its hops are impressive. Number 5. Talking Robot. This strange robotic replica of the human mouth was created by engineers at Kagawa University in Japan. It is designed to resemble a human mouth as nearly as possible, down to the air pump for the lungs, the 8 phony voice cords, the silicone tongue, and the opening and closing nasal resonance cavity. The robotic mouth, or whatever you want to call it, can utilize a microphone to listen to itself talk and modify its tone and pitch to sound more human-like, despite being designed for voice training of the auditory impaired. So even though the machine sounds like a lawnmower, it has the ability to communicate like a human. Feeling unsettled? Thought so. Just wait till you hear the mechanical mouth attempting to sing. The results will be borderline nightmarish. Number 4. Seiya. A class of 10-year-olds received a science and technology lecture from the robot Seiya in 2009. Seiya was clearly made to be as lifelike as possible by the Tokyo University of Science, as evidenced by her sharp clothing, pink lipstick, and tidy hairstyle. As her uncannily realistic face is dragged from the back by motors and wiring around the eyes and mouth, Seiya calls rolls, smiles, and reprimands, making the students laugh. A person is observing the robot via cameras and controlling it remotely. Despite Seiya's horrific facial features, Professor Hiroshi Kobayashi, the robot's creator, claims that robotic teachers have a place in society and can give children in remote communities a chance to interact with new technology and receive an education that may not have been previously possible. Treating all students equitably, delivering reliable, high-quality knowledge, and significantly lowering educational costs are other benefits of robotic teachers. However, will kids respect a robot enough to learn from it? And can humanoid teaching robots actually replace human teachers? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Number 3. Actroid. A humanoid robot named Actroid was created at Osaka University and manufactured by Kokoro Company Limited. The robot is designed to resemble a typical young woman of Japanese heritage, and it is capable of mimicking a variety of natural actions, including blinking, speaking, bowing, shifting its neck, and even breathing. She can understand speech, process it, and respond back in kind. Air actuators positioned at numerous sites of articulation in the upper body work in conjunction with internal sensors to enable Actroid to respond in a manner that appears natural. The silicone-based skin has a very lifelike appearance. Actroid has always either been seated or supported firmly from behind. One of the most sophisticated and human-like telorobots ever created is this female model, and it appears quite unsettling. Number 2. Mini Cheetah. The new small Cheetah robot from MIT has a range of motion comparable to that of a world-class gymnast. It is springy and light on its feet. The four-legged power pack can walk either right side up or upside down, since it can bend and swing its legs wide. The robot can trot across uneven ground at a speed that is roughly twice as fast as an average person walking. The agile quadruped, which only weighs 20 pounds, less than some Thanksgiving turkeys, is no pushover. If kicked to the ground, the robot can rapidly right itself with a quick, kung fu-like swing of its elbows. Its capacity to complete a 360-degree backflip from a standing posture is arguably its most astounding feat. Mini Cheetah is created to be nearly invincible, rebounding with little harm even if a backflip results in a spill, claim researchers. Number 1. Kaspar. A child-sized humanoid robot named Kaspar was created as a social companion for kids with autism and other communication challenges. Kaspar can display a variety of expressions and is designed to be a social companion. This robot's face is a mask and is put on training mannequins for CPR instruction. An onboard small PC or an external PC connected via USB can wirelessly control the robot. Kaspar serves as a social mediator by interacting and acting in a childlike manner, assisting kids in better interacting and communicating with adults and other kids. Additionally, it encourages kids to explore their most basic emotions while simultaneously interacting with other kids and reducing social isolation by using a variety of gestures, facial expressions, and body language. Additionally, this robot responds autonomously to touch using sensors on its cheeks, arms, body, hands, and feet to teach kids about acceptable tactile connection. The robot is the result of more than 10 years of research by the Adaptive Systems Research Group at the University of Hertfordshire, which was led by Professor Kirsten Dotenhahn of Artificial Intelligence. There you have it, the creepiest robots ever. Are these robots creepy enough for you, or do you know a few that are going to spook everyone? Please tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Your support helps us create more great content, so we appreciate it.